Hello, everyone. My name is Laurent. I'm your English teacher. Welcome back to your YouTube channel where you can learn English easily and quickly. We were talking about 30 verbs that can help you speaking English better. But right now, that is the last video about English verbs. Okay? So you need verbs, guys, to speak English better. This is why we come with these videos. As I said, we are going to learn 10 English verbs to speak English fluently. Okay? Let's get started with the first verb. On commence avec premier verbe. Là. OK? Premier verbe ou bien 21e verbe que nous allons apprendre, c'est show. Moi, je vais le répéter. Show. To show veut dire montrer. OK? Si je veux dire montrer, me dit to show. Par exemple, me dit montrez-moi. Show it to me. Okay? Comme dit montrer me dit show it to me. All right? So we can use the verb show if you want to talk about directions. Si nous voulons parler de direction, nous allons utiliser le verbe show là. Par exemple, if you are somewhere else and you don't know where to go, you can say, "Hey, can you show me the way?" Okay? Can you show me the way? It's a question that we can ask when we want to know about the direction. Okay? Question ça, c'est une question nous capable poser là nous voulons connaître direction. On dit, est-ce que vous capable montrer me chemin? Comme dit comment est-ce que vous capable montrer me chemin? On dit, can you show me the way? On dit qu'on peut aller dans banque là and you're new here and you don't know where to go. If you meet somebody and you can say, "Hey, please, can you show me where to go to the bank, please?" Or you can simply say, "Can you show me where the bank is?" Let's repeat it again. Can you show me where the bank is? Ça veut dire. Ça veut dire, est-ce que vous capable de montrer côté banque là est? Comme vous dire, est-ce que vous capable de montrer côté banque là est? Me dit, can you show me where the bank is? Comme ça, tout si c'était dans marché, je t'apprends aller. Je capable de dire, est-ce que vous capable de montrer côté marché là est? Me dit, can you show me where the market is? Okay, guys. So when you want to know about the direction, okay, you want to ask for direction, you can use this verb to show, montrer, okay? Montrer une place là. Can you show me the park? Okay, or can you show me where the park is? All right, guys. So let's move to the second verb. The 22nd verb that we're going to learn today is buy. I want you to repeat buy. Buy veut dire acheter. Comme dit acheter en anglais, me dit to buy. OK? Par exemple, me dit, si m'a dit, moi besoin acheter manger. Comme capable dire moi besoin acheter manger, I say I need to buy some food. I need to buy some food. You see? I need to buy some food. J'ai besoin d'acheter de la nourriture. Okay? Whatever you want to buy, you can use the verb to buy. But sometimes you can hear people say purchase. Okay? Buy and purchase have the same meaning. Okay? You can say purchase or buy. Kounya la, si m'table dit, moi te acheté une machine. Comme m'a dit ça? M'a dit, I bought a car. I bought a car. Moi te acheté une machine. Okay? Moi te acheté une nouvelle voiture. I bought a new car. Okay, I bought a new car. This is the past tense of the verb to buy. Don't worry, guys. Okay, we're gonna learn past tense of some irregular verbs. All right, so we are going to the third one or the 23rd one. Okay, we have sell. I want you to repeat sell. So if you don't buy, probably you might sell. Okay, sou pa acheter, wap vendre. Comment me dit vendre en anglais? Me dit sell. Okay, to sell, c'est vendre. OK? Par exemple, si me dit, demoiselle là, te vend machine semaine passée. OK? On dit que demoiselle là, te une machine, elle besoin d'une l'autre machine, il est obligé de vendre ancien machine ni te gagné pour l'acheter l'autre. Même quand dit demoiselle là, te vend machine semaine passée, comme capable dit ça, capable dire she sold her old car last week. She sold her, okay? She sold her old car last week. Ça veut dire elle a vendu son ancienne voiture la semaine dernière. Semaine qui s'est passée, elle était vendre ancienne machine. Okay? Probably she might buy a new one. You don't know. Okay? All right. So Next verb we're gonna learn today is open. I want you to repeat open. Okay, it's not open, but it's open. Okay, open, to open means ouvrir. Okay, how can I say ouvrir? I say to open. All right, so for example, let's say the door is closed. Okay, they close the door and you were out, but you want to get in, and you can say, please open the door. You knock at the door. Okay, you knock at the door. To knock means frapper. Ou frapper na porte là, you knock at the door and you say, open the door, please. Okay, it's because you're out. Okay, this is a sentence that we commonly use in English. Ouvrez porte là, s'il vous plaît. Open the door, please. Comme dit ouvrez porte là, s'il vous plaît. Open the door, please. Okay, door is porte. Ouvrir, c'est open. All right. So if you don't open, probably you might close. Sou pa ouvre ka ferme. Comme dit ferme, me dit close. Close veut dire fermer. Okay? But we have close to, qui c'est près de, and we have to close, qui c'est fermer. For example, if I want to say, boutique sa ap gade ya la, di ferme à 10 heures nan aswe. OK? Boutique ça, ou bien shop ça, il ferme à 10 heures nan aswe. Comme capable dire ça en anglais? I say, the shop closes at 10 p.m. p.m. is après-midi or aswe. Okay? p.m. post meridian. All right? The shop closes at 10 p.m. All right? So we have the next verb, remember. Remember. Remember veut dire songer. OK? Quand on me dit songer, me dit remember. Par exemple, si m'a dit, est-ce qu'on songe? Est-ce qu'on songe? I say, do you remember me? Do you remember? Est-ce qu'on songe? OK? And they want to remind you about something. They say, do you remember? Or est-ce que tu songe? Did you remember? But do you remember? Est-ce qu'on songe? Si m'a dit moi songe, me dit I remember. Moi songe, I remember you. OK? To remember veut dire songer. Comme dit songer, me dit to remember. For example, let's say that you're talking with somebody and there's someone is coming and you say, hey, où songez non, monsieur? Où songez non? OK? Comme on dit samedi, do you remember his name? Hey, do you remember his name? Ou dit, do you remember his name? Do you remember his name? Est-ce que songe? Non. Est-ce que songe? Do you remember me? Oui, moi songe. Yes, I remember you. Oui, moi songe. Yes, I remember you. All right? And the next verb is, guys, forget. Okay? If you don't remember, you might forget. Sou pa songe ou ka bliye. Comme dit bliye, me dit forget. Okay? Moi bliye. I forgot. Okay? I forgot. All right? So, kounya la, si mta vle di, moi bliye relo. On dit que nous sorti ensemble et pour dire, hi, call me whenever you get home. Okay? Whenever you get home, just call me. N'importe là où rive la ka ou relem. Et moi-même, moi rive la ka moi bliye relo. Okay? And then you call me and you say, hey, I ask you to call me whenever you get home. Are you home now? Et vous dire, oh, moi te bliye relo. Oh, moi bliye relo. Comme on dit ça. Moi bliye retourner appel là. Moi bliye relo. What can I say that in English, guys? I say, I forgot to call you back. One more time. I forgot to call you back. I forgot to call you back, c'est j'ai oublié de te rappeler. I forgot to call you back. J'ai oublié de te rappeler. Moi t'oublier relo. Oh, moi oublier relo. Moi pas très low, okay? I forgot to call you back. I forgot to call you back, okay? I forgot to call you back. Moi oublier relo. All right. Next verb is play. I want you to repeat. Play. Play veut dire jouer. OK? Par exemple, si m'a dit, hey, ou konon bagay, pas jouer avec non? Pas jouer avec. OK? En pile fois, gen moun yo kon dit ça, pas jouer avec. On dit, don't play with me. Comme dit pas jouer avec, don't play with me. Pas jouer avec. Don't play with me. OK? Kon sa ton de kapab utiliser le sinap jouer en bagay. Par exemple, if you love playing soccer, what you can say, Oh, I'm playing soccer now. Map jouer football kounya. Okay? Somebody calls you and you say, okay, I'm playing soccer now. I'm busy. Mwen occupé, map jouer football. Sometimes you can use it differently. You can say, don't play with me. Pas jouer avec. Okay? Don't play with me. Pas jouer avec. Comme dit pas jouer avec, don't play with me. All right. So next verb is eat. I want you to repeat. Eat. To eat vle di manger. This is a verb, guys, we always use in our daily conversation. Son verbe que nous souvent utiliser dans la conversation chaque jour. Because we can't spend a day without eating. Pa gen moun ki ka fon jour sans manger. Sauf s'il pas jeune. But you will probably eat every day. OK? Kounya la, si m'a dit, monsieur mange en pile. Comme dit monsieur mange en pile. He eats a lot. Oh, this guy eats a lot. This boy eats a lot. Ça veut dire monsieur mange en pile. Généralement, mon toujours dit on mange force venture, but sometimes you can eat a lot, okay? To eat a lot means manger en pile, okay? He eats a lot. So if you eat a lot, you are a greedy. What does that mean, greedy? As you can see, greedy veut dire aloufa, okay? Gourmand, okay? He's a greedy. It means that he eats a lot, okay? Li manje plus que ventre li. Li manje plus que ventre li. Me dit he eats a lot, okay? He's a greedy. He's a greedy, all right? And last verb that we're gonna learn today is drink. Mwen vlo repete. Drink. Drink vle di boire. Ou bien boire en français. Par exemple, si m'a dit, mwen reme boire de l'eau chaque matin. M'a dit, I like drinking water every morning. Okay? Every morning. Quand ça tu me dit, mwen reme boire jus. I like to drink juice. Or I like drinking juice. All right. So now, if it's hot, guys, and you know when it's hot, your body will need some fluid. Okay. Your body will need lots of water. But I can advise you, I can ask you, or I can tell you to drink plenty of water every day. Okay. Comme kap di ça, boire un pile d'eau chaque jour. Okay. That's an advice. Ça, c'est un conseil. Dit, drink plenty of water every day. Drink plenty of water every day. So you can hear people say plenty of, plenty of. It's like T is silent, okay? Don't worry, guys. We can say drink plenty of water every day. Or I can say drink lots of water every day. Boire un pile d'eau chaque jour, okay? If you want to stay hydrated, drink lots of water every day. That's an advice. Ça, c'est un conseil, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until the end, merci parce que tu as regardé vidéo ça jusqu'à la fin. Pas oublier, abonner sur votre fait ça, like, et puis commenter. Merci une autre fois parce que tu as regardé première vidéo, ou regardé deuxième vidéo, et ça, c'est troisième vidéo. So, 30 verbs that can help you speak English better and quicker. Okay? It was your English teacher, and see you in another video. Bye-bye for now.